The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is finally here and it brings some subtle changes this year. In this video, I am doing a quick unboxing and first impression about this particular device. The box of the S23 Ultra is looking different this year. In the box, we have the device itself, which packs in an environmentally friendly wrap. And looking at this new cream color option, it's looking amazing in person. It's even better looking than you have seen on the camera. Furthermore, we have a SIM ejector pin, startup guide, and a Type-C cable. So guys, what do you think about this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's look at the design. There is really two noticeable changes that are coming from the last year S22 Ultra. One is the camera bump, which is a little bit bigger, and with these new pronounced rings around them, it's looking great. I will talk about the camera sensor in a second. Second, we have the V-shaped curve at the edges, which give it a flat look and make it as a boxier device. This new boxier flat design will help you to use the S Pen easily on the flat surface. Plus, this new design brings more clean looking aesthetic and in-hand feel is going to be much more grippy. The build is solid. It is made up of aluminum frame and the back has a matte finish which hides the fingerprint smudges. The front of the device is a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The device has an IP68 water and dust resistance, plus it has a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front and in camera glass. Camera wise, we have the new 200 megapixel sensor, which is the star of the show, that brings more close, accurate and sharpened images with large image sizes. Even cropping this new 200 megapixel images still give you a better quality of image. Along with that, we also have a 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel modes for different quality of images. Even in low light, the images are amazing, and looking at this image that has been taken in a dark room, which is looking great. Although it's not the best quality, but still it's going to be amazing. We have seen the same telephoto lens as the last year S22 Ultra, and the quality of the 100x zoom is same as the last year. No difference in here. We have the same ultra wide camera. Now, thanks to the new ISP, this device also support a 4K video at 60 frames per second. A new portrait video mode is coming. A new stability is going to be coming, which is more accurate than the last year S22 Ultra. We now have a proper 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, which quality is pretty nice. Now, another key area where the big improvement is coming is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which has been introduced in the S23 Ultra. No Exynos is coming this year, which is great news for every region which was coming with Exynos. And this new processor is going to boost up 40 to 45% of CPU and GPU enhancement. Plus, you are also going to be getting a 40% of power efficiency. It also has a new ray tracing feature that is going to be coming in the games later this year. Plus, we also see a new larger cooling system which brings the sustainable performance for longer time. Thanks to this new processor, we are also having an improvement in the battery life as well. Although we have the same 5000 mAh battery with a 45-watt charging speed, but because of this new processor, it will last 11 hours, which is pretty amazing battery life. I will be doing my own battery test, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So guys, the S Pen is going to be looking same as the last year and there is no difference in here, but the material that has been used in the S Pen are looking even better than the last year. Right off the box, it will be coming with Android 13 with One UI 5.1, which is more customizable, and I will be thoroughly testing about that as well. And you guys, after few hours of use, I am super impressed about the quality of the S23 Ultra. I know that there is not a major change over the S22 Ultra in terms of the design, but there are some serious upgrades are going inside of the S23 Ultra. A couple of nice quality of life improvements and changes, and one of the best one is going to be the in-hand feel of this new design. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.